So today I want to be walking through how I built an 8-figure business with AI, the exact system. I want to break down all the processes, what we used, how it works, etc. And I'll be sharing it with you. If you have any questions as we go along, feel free to ask. And this is just going to be a really simple breakdown of basically all the systems that I've used with AI to automate my business. Now, if you look, for example, we actually built this AI profit boardroom earlier this year. This now generates over $1 million in profit per year. And the way that we've done this is using the playbooks inside the AI profit boardroom here. Now, I'm going to be walking you through some of my best ones, showing you how they work, showing you what they work with, and also we're going to be building out some custom automations today as well. So if you have any questions as we go along, like feel free to ask. And we're just going to get straight into it. Imran straight away said, how can I access this community? So if you want to get access to the AR Profit Boardroom, just you can either go to the arprofitboardroom.com. If you're watching this from Twitter, for example, you can just check out the link in the bio and then get access to the AR Profit Boardroom right there. And I'll put the link inside here as well. There we go. And also, if you're watching from the school community, then you can actually get access directly. Where is it now? There we go. It's right here at the top as well. So you can get access right there. Where it says AR Profit Boardroom here, you can just click on that and get access and sign up. And all the video notes and the replay will be inside there as well. So we're gonna get straight into this. If you have any questions as we go along, like feel free to ask. Feel free to ask any questions, that sort of thing. I wonder which countries you got people watching from. I'd be interested to know that. But if as we get into this, I want to talk you through how I built an 8-figure business with AI and the exact system. So basically, what we have is we have a business where AI is basically the machine, right? So you got AI, and it's powering basically every single new system that we're setting up, right? So, for example, if we have a look at these 11 different AI money making generating systems that I'll walk you through and explain each today with examples. Basically, what we're doing here is we are building out different money making income streams that you could emulate, right? If you're watching this, there's nothing stopping you from doing the same thing. Like, you know me, like I'll just try and give you as much value as possible. Even if you walk away with like one thing that actually is going to help you, that's what it's about, right? So this is basically how it works. And then you got, for example, like affiliate marketing. You've got YouTube and AI there. You got the Twitter lead machine. You have the upsell funnel that I'll come on to later. We have the content engine, right? We have the Facebook leads machine, all sorts of things going on around here. And AI is basically the engine that powers all of these and helps me automate and scale this stuff. And like the reason that I have so much time to live stream each day, and the reason that I have so much time to set up these systems is because of AI. Like it just goes off and it automates it. You leave it running on autopilot, and then you don't really have to touch it. Like for example, the affiliate marketing programs that we use, like we set them up once, they're running, they get traffic every day. We're living the dream. All right. And that's where we're going to start basically with the affiliate marketing machine. So let me show you what I'm talking about. We'll run through each of these systems separately. And actually, what I'm going to do is I'll put these into a section inside the AI Profit Boardroom here. So you can just steal the notes from me if you want to. Come on to that in a minute. If you want the replay, I will share the replay link with you as well. So I know some people, you won't have time to watch a whole live stream. So if you don't have like all the time to watch the live stream, I'll put the replay. You can watch the replay video right there if you want to get access to it. All right. So let's get straight into this and let's start talking about one of the easiest things that I think I'm going to start with this because I think it's like one of the easiest things that anyone can do. Right. And I've been doing this for years, but AI has just helped me so much with this process. Right. So what am I talking about? The AI affiliate machine basically is how we generate affiliate sales on autopilot and people sign up for the different tools that we recommend, right? So for example, for you, you're probably using stuff like ChatGPT, you're using stuff like, for example, Perplexity, right? You might be using stuff like HeyGen, right? HeyGen is great for generating avatar videos, for example. But with all of these, basically, what you can do is you can actually sign up. Look at the amount of pop-ups. It's insane. 3 pop-ups on one website. That is mental. But we can't sidetracked here. So when you're doing this, basically you can make commissions, right? You can earn commissions by recommending people these tools. Pretty simple and easy, right? Let me pull up an example. So if we have a look here, you can see we earn commissions like all the time. I haven't touched any of the places that we promote this for weeks now. You can see we earn a commission, boom, commission, right? And we just get loads of commissions just passively using this process. So what are we doing here and how does it work? Essentially, we are promoting the AI tools. Let me just, I'll screenshot this for the video notes just so we can make it look nice and pretty, even if my diagrams and drawing is terrible. So I'm going to put that in there. Let's have this. Look at that. Look at that beautiful diagram right there. We're getting some serious notes going on right now. So AI powers all of this, affiliate marketing, YouTube, Twitter, the upsell funnels, the content engine, the Facebook leads machine, and a lot more. But that's just some examples, right? And so, for example, if we have a look here, we're generating commissions, like you can see, for affiliate marketing. And so, it'd be great? I just thought of an idea where, like, you have some sort of AI powered tool that can take the screenshots from your video and then turn it into a nice blog post. I'm sure that's coming. Maybe it's even out there somewhere, but that would be great. That would make this a lot easier. Anyway, so for example, we've got affiliate marketing deals. And basically, when we promote a tool, we make money if people buy it. Click and buy on it, right? So for example, if we go to the AI Money Lab right here, this is my free community. By the way, it is an awesome community. Like, have a look at this. Let's take a cheeky gander. We got 32,700 people in here. We have, for example, let's pull this up. We are the top 18th in the world as a community, which is pretty insane because we have like 177,000 people to compete with. And if we go to the classroom here, you get all these different free trainings, right? So for example, like you'll learn AI automation. And on the left-hand side, you can see all these video trainings with step-by-step tutorials and how you can use them. All completely free, all completely free. It's called the AI Money Lab. Just Google it if you can't find it or ask ChatGPT. Anyway, what you can see, if we go down to the classroom, we create like a bunch of NA10 templates and share them inside here, right? So you can see, for example, if we go to, where is it now? NA10 free automation templates. I'm going to pull that up to the top. I don't know why that's down at the bottom. And then you can see here, for example, we create all these NA10 templates and we create videos around them, we create guides, we create a free community around it, right? And basically, when we're promoting this stuff, we offer people